The all-new 2025 Ferrari is here, setting new benchmarks for luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Designed with precision and crafted for speed, this Ferrari is more than just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels. With a striking aerodynamic design, sculpted lines, and an aggressive front grille, this model commands attention wherever it goes. Signature LED headlights provide a futuristic touch, while the lightweight carbon fiber body enhances agility and speed. Under the hood, a roaring V12 engine delivers mind-blowing power, capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. This Ferrari is built for thrill seekers, offering an unmatched driving experience. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of luxury. Handcrafted premium leather seats, carbon fiber accents, and a driver-centric cockpit make every ride feel exclusive. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the AI-powered driving assistant ensures safety and efficiency. The state-of-the-art infotainment system offers seamless connectivity, voice control, and an immersive audio experience with premium surround sound. But Ferrari doesn't stop at luxury and performance. This model is packed with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance, and a 360-degree camera system for maximum visibility. Whether on the track or the open road, every journey feels secure and exhilarating. This 2025 Ferrari isn't just a car, it's an experience, a statement of power, innovation, and craftsmanship. If you're a car enthusiast who loves speed and luxury, this is the model to watch. Stay tuned to Car Drive for in-depth reviews, test drives, and exclusive insights into the world of high-end automotive excellence. Subscribe now and join us as we explore the future of supercars.